I was thinking, you have to have a great capacity for pain to survive.
What do you think?
I was thinking, you have to have a great capacity for pain to survive. I mean, if you're a normal person, you have to have some capacity for pain. Sooner or later, you're going to reach your limit. There's a lot of pain out there.
What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I was wondering if you're thinking what I'm thinking. You can't do that.
What?
You can't just stop caring.
Sure I can. Sure I can. I stopped. I'm taking a train out of here and I'm not coming back.
A train? A train to where?
When you don't care anymore, it doesn't really matter, does it?
Checked it out. Did some research. Asked some questions.
I'll tell you one thing. She can't stop caring.
Sure she can. I've got the pictures to prove it. I was thinking, you have to have a great capacity for pain to survive.
What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think? Ask some questions. What you're saying is, you didn't disappear.
No.
So what happened?
I just didn't care anymore.
Same thing, isn't it?